So over here, you can see that I have a data chart right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to compare the chart out with a value of a later date. So in that case, you can go around and here you can see that I have the data from Jan 1 to Jan 7, 2000 right here. So if I were to go around onto the right side and scroll down, then you will be able to see the comparison data range over here as well. So if you were to go around and click over here, you can select out a date range that you want to actually compare your data with. So I'm just going to go around onto 2000 right here, onto January, and let's say I want to compare it with, let's say, for example, from data range to Jan 5 right here. And then I'm going to go around right here and then I'm going to select out a data range over here as well. So I'm just going to go around, select 2000 right here, January, and this is going to be till 15. Let's press apply and let's see what happens right here. So you can see that there are two lines now. So there's one faded right here, which is for a particular date range right here, and the other one which is the original data. And that is how you can see you can bring in comparison of the data within a single chart over here as well. And that is how you can use the data comparison option for the date range inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.